What's up again, guys? Ruben here with Cars and Combos, and today I'm going to be doing an oil change. I'm just opening my hood so I can let it cool down because I want to go get all the supplies. I'm just going to be changing out the OEM filter and using Royal Purple. I usually use another synthetic oil, but I heard good things about this one, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay guys, it's pretty important to change out your oil because if not, it starts causing problems. Your engine can seize, it makes noises, and then it adds up and becomes an expensive repair. But yeah, I'm just going to walk you through the process of how to change oil. Ta-da! Well, first thing guys, I'm going to jack up the car. I'm just going to put them on jack stands. Just for little safety reasons, so if this thing collapses, this will stay up. So I'm going to do this first. This is just the cover. And I'm just going to take it off because I'm going to have to take it off anyways. And all you have to do, guys, is just give it a little tug. There you go. See? So there's the drain plug, guys. And there's the filter. You just need a 17-inch socket to take that off. And put like a little pan on the bottom and don't make a mess. And I'm going to cover this so my airflow goes in through. Just put it on the side. Watch the oil drip down. So they gave me another washer, a new one. So I'm just going to replace it right here. It's pretty simple. You just put it back in here. Put it back in there. There you go. Like that. That's how it's supposed to go. Oh, after making a mess, guys, I'm just going to wipe this down now. It's just my oil pan. Not a big deal. And I'm just gonna put the drain plug again inside. Just twist it off first with hands and then tighten it with the lug nut again. There you go. You guys don't over tighten it like I usually do. It always messes it up. So now I have to remove the oil filter. And what I'm going to use is this oil filter wrench thing. Just goes in here, and then I could just use a socket. So it's loose now, guys. Put the oil catch thing in here again. So it doesn't spill. Oh, fuck it is. It's wonderful. So I got the oil filter out, guys, but I made a huge ass mess on the floor. More oil right here. Filter's over there. And just right here. So here's the new oil, guys, the Royal Purple, and my new filter, and the old one. And keep reading this. Like they said, to get a little bit of the new oil, and then just rub it up in the ring. Just rub it on the ring right here. And then stick it back on. Well, I put it on right now, it's hand tightened. I'm just gonna use the oil filter wrench and tighten it a little bit. Don't over torque anything, guys. If you over torque it, it's gonna get stuck, like I always do. So guys, my car doesn't really need the whole 5 quarts, but it just needs like 4.75, so I'm just gonna do my best and not overfill it. It actually comes out purple. That's cool. So now let's check out the dipstick. How's the dipstick going right now? Let's see. Good old wipe. Stick it back in. We're good. Back in there. And the last thing is to put on this cover. It's pretty simple. Just find the little notches that it has and then slap it on. It's a glow clips. Just tie it in. There you go. Alright guys, now just to reset the little computer thingy that's in the car that says this. So one thing you have to do is like go through the options. So option, 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 and then it says right there to reset it. You just click on this thing right here. Hold it for a couple seconds, and then it's done. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video of me changing my oil, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to keep watching them guys, subscribe. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Bye!